Oliver Sloup of Blue Line Futures is at the edge of the trading floor. What do you think of the what you're seeing over here on a chart then when it comes to these cattle?
Well, it's nice to see the market work a little bit higher on the back of that cattle on feed report that we got on Friday, which is obviously pretty friendly, and the market is confirming that, which is very nice to see. Now, over the past couple of months, we've been talking about the market being in that range, about 111 to 115. Here recently, we've been suggesting that the market is looking to form a new range, basically 119 to 120 to about 115 to 116. The bottom end of that support held last week, and with the help of a friendly cattle on feed report, we're getting a nice bounce back towards the top end of the range. So it is nice and encouraging to see, but I think the market's going to struggle to get out and make new significant highs. So if we get that move closer to 119 to 120, I think if you're long, this is a place to reduce risk. And if you want to be short, dip your toes in on the short side and look for the market to retreat a little bit. Still keeping a close eye on cash, and I have a hard time believing that cash is just going to go screaming higher in the very near term. So that's going to be something to keep a very close eye on this week as well.
You make a good point. We've been trading steady cash now for several weeks in a row. What about over here on the feeder side? Is this a result of that cattle on feed report? Because we've got corn market just a little bit firmer today also.
Well, it's certainly helping, and I think you're just seeing some positive vibes here in the ag sector to start the week, which is nice to see. Nice to see the money flow come into the buy side, but I think probably more of this is a little bit more relief. We saw that big move higher over the past month and a half, and then 2 weeks ago we really saw kind of a flush lower. So you're getting a little bit of reprieve here. The bulls still want to chew through technical resistance to really get some solid footing. Until then, I wouldn't be surprised to see this just become a little bit more of a relief rally as opposed to a sustainable longer-term rally.
Oliver, always good to visit. Oliver Sloup, Blue Line Futures there at the edge of the trading floor in Chicago.